May adlaw, bila po na itong smoke alike, waterproof, smoke pad, tapos 40 watts, 20 watts lang gamit. Ang Diyos kay power line up 5G. Twenty watts ra. Okay, available na. Pre-juice. Okay, vape on, safe safe.